now we're gonna need the C index for this, and we're pretty much only gonna set this up for mobile. We're gonna do C index 100. We're also gonna be showing setting up our overlay style. So we're gonna do something like overlay. So just call it global overlay, because I have another overlay somewhere in there, so I don't want to conflict with that. And basically what I'm gonna doing here is I'm gonna set up a dark overlay, probably do RGBA and do something like 111, and then the last thing is gonna be 0.77 opacity. And I'm gonna say this right here is gonna be position fixed, and it's gonna be left 0, right 0. So basically stretch across, and now the same thing with top and bottom. So it's just gonna adhere to the entire screen, left, right, bottom, left, bottom, top, and bottom, 0, 0, 0, 0. So now if we go here, obviously I need to add this global overlay somewhere, and I'm gonna add it right here. This is inside the app. Yeah, so I'm gonna do this global overlay, and it's gonna hide everything. Yep, everything is on the overlay. I don't want our menu to be on the overlay, behind the overlay, so I don't know. C index 50. So I still want the menu to be on top of the overlay. Now let's go back and I think I know what's going on. So I need to make sure that this entire thing has the C index above that. So it's gonna be navbar. Actually, it's gonna be inside the mobile style, so it's gonna be right here, and I'm gonna do C index right there. Yep, this usually takes a while. There you go, there you go. So now you see how this is on top of the overlay. So now we're gonna hide the overlay when we don't need it. That's the last thing we're gonna do. So we're gonna be doing if overlay, so global overlay that active, right? And we're gonna go inside of our instance, we're gonna set that one up, global overlay active, and that's gonna be false. I don't want to show it, and that's why like I had some of this stuff over here. So basically when it enters, I want to show the global overlay, and that's the way it is right here before enter. Okay, so along with the transitions, there's a enter before enter, leave before leave, and that's the Vue transitions and how they offer them. So I'm saying, hey, this is mobile, I'm gonna do global overlay active equals true, and I'm not gonna need any of this, so overkill. And then after leave, which is another one we have, right? Actually, yeah, I'm actually using it after the promise. Okay, awesome. So when you leave, this gives you a promise, so you can do then, and then overlay active equals false. So you're saying, hey, once you return, once this is done, then do this right here. So hide the overlay, and this is actually going to be overlay, no, actually global overlay. And you see why it's better to do it with objects like this, nested objects, so it knows exactly which one it is, because you can have many overlays, 3 or 4. I already have 2, and it's just a small, not even a big project. It's just a tribe project. You see now the overlay It's still not showing in here. Okay, so global overlay, let's see, global overlay dot active. Let me make sure that's how this is working right here. Okay, maybe I do need to do vshow. So maybe that's what it is. No, that's not what it is. Is this build? Yeah, this is build. Okay, so if I go back a bit, if that's not the problem, global overlay is active. So if I go global overlay and then active is false, okay, that's gonna be false. And then I see what the problem is. I have not set up the action right here. So at before enter equals before enter. So I was missing that. There you go. Voila. So now we have a nice menu with the overlay. Let me make sure that's working on desktop, and it is. And that's how you can have your own toggle menu using Bootstrap, Vue.js, and in this case Laravel, but really you can do this on any HTML website that you have. So I'll see you next week. Leave me a comment, follow me, subscribe to the channel. Let me know exactly what you like about these videos, what you don't. That way I can improve and be better, obviously. And let me know if you want to know about something specifically. I can definitely go over that topic with you. Have a great week, and I wish you the best.